Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your first week of online education. With our last week term being your, what they call exam block, obviously no effect for you so far. So this week, obviously everything's online. I've got everything within your OneNote and within this presentation to talk to you, and also the email that you should have gotten this link from. This week we are looking at DNA structure and replication. To help us out, I do have David. I know you'll all miss him, but he's in the way, so we're going to shift him a little bit out. Okay, so DNA structure and replication is our task for this week. You've got a few things. You've got your textbook that you're going to use. We also have Education Perfect, and you've got the handouts that I'd normally give you with the workbook. That's all in OneNote for you to download as well. So with our OneNote, we're going to switch over OneNote and make sure we are in the right places. If I can switch this over. So with your OneNote, you need to make sure you, excuse me, are in the Unit 4 section. We're in DNA structure and replication. So you have all your learning goals. You have your textbook. There are answers for the questions in the textbook there for you as well. This is the Nelson workbook link that you need for the worksheets that have been set. So we're going to work through that throughout this topic. Fantastic. With Education Perfect, so a few of you have used Education Perfect before. If you've used it at a different school, your username has changed to the FGSHS first name, surname. Your password though has not been reset. So if you don't know your password, you'll either need to use a password reset facility or shoot me an email and I can reset that for you. Each week there is weekly tasks that they'll be due on Sundays at 8 AM. And then so for the following week, I can actually check how you've gone with those. In terms of Education Perfect, I'm going to try and have a quick look at that if I can make this all go. So hopefully this is a bit of a preview of what you should see. So this week you've got 3 activities. You've got the basics of DNA, the structure of DNA, and nitrogenous bases. So if we just click on each section, and then all you need to do is click Start. That will take you into your presentation that you then follow through. There is a reader there for you as well, which will read everything to you. So read through all the content. Makes you stay on the pages for a certain amount of time. And then there are questions that you answer throughout. So those of you who've used Style in grade 7 to 10, it's similar to Style, just more from a page-by-page basis. There are videos as well to watch within Education Perfect. So your textbook, you also do need to do some reading. So you've got pages 249 to 252. There's also a great video by the science guys. It's on strawberry DNA. There's a couple other ones around as well. And this is something that you can do at home. So actually have a go. You can do it with any fruit or with almost anything. And all you need is dishwashing soap virtually. And then you can actually extract the DNA. So the Nelson workbook, as I said, that's in your OneNote. So you're completing the activities 6.1 chromosome structure and 6.2 packaging of DNA. They're your 2 tasks on paper to do this week. We will have a Zoom meeting, so a check-in. That is on Thursdays at 9:30 AM. The link is in the email that I've sent you. It's also in OneNote for you. And finally, your challenge task this week is to make a model of DNA. I sat down with the kids this morning and I made this model of DNA. It's not great. It has some problems. I can still twist it into a double helix, but it's missing a few things, and you need to make something better and show me on Thursday when we come together. I will talk to you then. Any questions in the meantime, send an email, and happy DNAing.